Usual. Now, a little bit unusual. Response to Faded Holy Soldier. The topic of today is marijuana. Well, I agree. Marijuana should be legal, period. That people are fucking chasing people who smoke marijuana is bullshit. If you're saying that if you smoke marijuana you're a criminal, guess what? I'm a criminal, all my friends are. But you know what? I don't give a fuck. Because the truth of the matter is, most of the people don't fuck with people. And if they do, people like me and you, dear Faded Holy Soldier, wouldn't be able to speak up. It's just there are some people who just get caught smoking marijuana. Me personally, I smoke very seldom. Only maybe birthday parties and stuff. Even less than I used to. I used to smoke like once every 2 weeks or so. Right now I barely smoke. And the reason why I don't smoke marijuana is not because I'm afraid of the law, because I don't give a fuck. It's personal reasons. And the personal reason is, you know, marijuana is like a sleeping pill. That's how it takes on me. Like, you know, if I'm tired, I get high, I'm just passing out, I'm just like this, you know. I just feel like I want to pass out, I don't give a fuck, I cannot properly socialize with people. And I'm an antisocial person as it is, you know. I'm not really there, and in my situation I actually need to socialize with people more. But marijuana just makes me pass out and I'm getting more antisocial. Yes, it does make me feel good. I do like to smoke marijuana, it makes you feel good. But at the same time it makes you feel antisocial. That's why I don't really want to smoke it. Because, you know, it makes you a little bit paranoid, it makes you antisocial, it makes you chill. Do I think that people should be arrested for smoking marijuana? No. Because this is not a terrible, dangerous drug. And I wouldn't even call it drug. I would call it like a sleeping pill. So in my opinion, if you call marijuana drugs, you need to call sleeping pill drugs too. Because this is like the same shit, really. But, in my opinion, like, I cannot handle it, you know, that's why I'm trying not to smoke it. I have to smoke it maybe 1 or 2 puffs, because I'm getting high fairly quickly and I just don't wanna deal with it, you know. All those drug tests, they're bullshit, but, I mean, as I said, you know, I prefer not to do it for personal reasons, because, you know, if you want to be productive, it's not a good thing to do. Now, going to work high, it's bad. What I think though, you can smoke and you shouldn't be randomly drug tested. But if you're going to work, you better not go to work high. Because then, you know, you just chill like this, you know, you don't feel like working, you're fucking lazy and shit. It's not a good idea. It's just not good for you, period. If you're going to work, you should be energized, ready to work, everything. And like, you know, imagine if you're going to work when you didn't sleep. You're like going to work like this. If you smoke weed, this is how you're gonna go to work, okay? At least this is the way it works for me. I mean, I never went to work high, to be honest with you. It never happened to me, but when I was chilling, I was getting that way. That's how I was. So I can imagine if I'm gonna go to work high, I'm gonna be like this, and it's just not gonna be good, you know? It's just gonna be too difficult, you know, because you have to do the job and you're just slow and tired all the time. It's just not good. So yeah, that's all I think about smoking marijuana. So yes, marijuana should be legal as soon as possible. People should be able opportunity to chill, and there should be no fucking bullshit that, you know, about marijuana is illegal. Besides, a lot of people still do it. In fact, that there is a thing, it's 420, you know, all American people associate 420 with marijuana, unlike Russian people who associate 420 with Hitler's birthday. Because I talk to Americans, talk about 420, oh, it's marijuana's day. And I'm like, shit, this is a Hitler's birthday, you know? So think about it. Marijuana is like an part of American culture, really. So why do we need to do all this bullshit? You know, just legalize it and that's it. Tax it, you know, make it available. And then, you know, and if people want to smoke it, smoke it. But you need to do it responsibly, like alcohol. See, I'm drinking alcohol. I'm over 21, 26 years old. I drink malt liquor. I don't give a fuck. You let everybody on YouTube know that I'm drinking only malt liquor, by the way, too. But the same thing should be with marijuana. But if people come into work high, they should be fired from the job. So I think that you can smoke whenever you want. You shouldn't be randomly drug tested. But if you're coming to work high, you should be fired. You shouldn't be sent to drug testing. You should be fired on the spot. But if you're not coming to work high, who gives a shit? You know? And if you're getting a job, and if you're not coming to high to work, then you shouldn't be drug tested either. But that's just my opinion. Alright? Let me know what you think. All the best to you guys. Peace out. Later!